Project Management, MBA 6310 by Vernon Black, Professor Cami Edmonston. Module 1, Assignment 1, Video, PMI, and its offerings. Role of Project Management Institute, PMI. In 1969, the Project Management Institute, PMI, was born. It is a leading not-for-profit professional membership association for the project management profession. It is a for-purpose organization in nearly every country around the world. It is the world leading authority on project management. It empowers people to make ideas a reality through global advocacy networking, collaboration, research, and education. PMI prepares organizations and individuals to work smarter in an ever-changing and dynamic world. What are PMI certifications? Why are they important? PMI certifications and courses that you take along with exams that certify one as a project management professional and make sure he/she is ready to meet the projects across the world. According to PMI.org, research indicates that employers would need to fill nearly 2.2 million new project-oriented roles through 2027. With a PMI certification, one can work in virtually any industry, anywhere in the world, and with any project management methodology. What are some available certification programs that Project Management Institute provides? PMP, Project Management Professional, CAPM, Certified Associates in Project Management, PMI, PBA, Professional and Business Analysis, PGMP, Program Management Professional, PMI, RMP, Risk Management Professional, PMI, SP, Scheduling Professional, CPM, Certified Program Management, PME, Program Management Expert. All of these certifications require a certain level of education, applicable work experience, and relevant education hours in addition to an exam. PMP, Project Management. Project Management Professions, PMP, is the world's leading project management certification. PMP supercharges careers for project leaders across industry and help organizations recruit people they need to work smarter. Project management is the application of knowledge, skill, tools, and techniques to a broad range of activities in order to meet the requirements of a project. Projects are a temporary process and are unique, specific, and have a clear finish line. Attributes of a project. Projects are temporary in nature versus operational assignment and tasks which can be seen as vague and open-ended. A project is unique and is something that has never been done before. It can last minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. Has a definite end scope, restraint, and cost restraint. 6 constraints in project management. Costs. The project must stay within the budget. Scope. The project must be managed throughout. Quality. The product of the project must do what it is supposed to do. Risk. Unexpected events that can derail a project. So risk planning is essential. Resources. This includes both physical, which includes material, infrastructure, and team resources, which means human resources. Both are needed for the project. Time. Projects must be completed on time.